This video will show you how to complete the baseline pupil questionnaire section of the United Against Bullying programme. The pupil questionnaire is a vital part of the programme as it gives direct feedback from pupils involved. To access the baseline pupil questionnaire, you can click Continue if you have completed the baseline audit, or you can simply click Baseline Pupil Questionnaire within the Step 1 box. To be as flexible as possible, there are 3 different options for the pupil questionnaire. You can see them here. We'll start with option 1, ABA's online questionnaire. This option 1 questionnaire analyses the data for you and will show progression between baseline and final. This gives us a more accurate picture of bullying and well-being in your school, and we will use this data when deciding on your United Against Bullying award. Before you begin, you should seek consent from parents and carers of pupils who are going to be asked to take part in the survey. If you click the link to the guidance page here, you will have access to a template parent consent letter and data privacy notice at the top of the tab that will open when you click this. We recommend giving at least 2 weeks for parents and carers to respond to this letter. Now that you've decided to select option 1, you need to prepare your pupil data. First, export pupil data from your school's management information system into an Excel spreadsheet. Please do not include any pupils whose parents or carers have said they do not wish their child to take part. Please refer to our guidance page for information on the mandatory columns needed. Now you're ready to load the information to the platform. In the pupil questionnaire section of the platform, click on option 1 and then Import Pupils. Click on the correct Excel spreadsheet and open. When the data has been imported, you can see it in front of you here. You need to load the information into the platform and follow the instructions on the screen to validate this data, telling the system which column contains which information to match the data. So for example, you can see here it's asking you to confirm the year group. Highlight the column that shows the year group and click Confirm. You can do this for each column until you have completed it. Once you have done this for all columns, they should turn blue like so, and you can click Submit at the bottom here. As long as you've not marked this section as complete, you can add more pupils at a later date by clicking Import Pupils again. To do this, please import an Excel spreadsheet with new information following the same process as just described. Now that the pupil data has been uploaded into the system, you can download your pupil access keys by clicking this button here. Each pupil is given a unique code to complete their questionnaire so the system can identify the answers according to each demographic and year group. Click Download Access Keys button to generate either a PDF or an Excel spreadsheet that you can distribute to class teachers to share with their pupils. You also have the option of selecting all pupils, a single year group, or a single class. Once you've decided, click Download and you can open up your PDF or Excel spreadsheet with the access keys here. Please note that these access keys are confidential and pupil specific. Care should be taken at the time of distributing the keys to ensure pupils only receive their own and do not share them with others. Once your pupils have received their keys, they can complete the questionnaire. Pupils start their questionnaire at the address uab.anti-bullyingalliance.org.uk/pupil. Within this system, they are given support to understand the process and give informed consent. If they type in their access code here, it's split into those 2 sections, and select their school, they can click Next and will be guided through the questionnaire with plenty of information about how to take part and the option for audio to help them to access the questionnaire itself. They can click Yes, complete the questionnaire, or have the option of No, I do not want to complete the questionnaire, and will be guided through the questionnaire as they go. There are 24 questions here, and they can select their answers, click next, or skip. When they've completed the questionnaire, this information box will appear. They just need to click submit, and then they have finished. When you are happy that all of your pupils have completed their questionnaires, you can mark this section as complete. As before, please do not click yes if you're unsure all of your pupils have completed, and only click this once you're certain that you are finished with this section, as you will not be able to go back. You do not have to complete our online pupil questionnaire, and if this is the case, you can select option 2, your questionnaire. It should be noted that to be a United Against Bullying school, you must be able to explain how you've measured bullying and wellbeing in your school using data gathered from your own pupil questionnaire or the offline version of our own questionnaire, which can be accessed through the guidance website here. Once you've completed your own questionnaire and analysed your results, you can then visit this baseline pupil questionnaire section of the hub, click on option 2, and you can see some questions will appear for you to complete, as well as a box to add notes for each section. Once you've completed each section, you can click Mark as complete, but remember, you will not be able to make any changes or go back once you select this. You can select the Save and Come Back button to save any progress if you're not quite finished. The final option available is option 3, Skip Questionnaire. However, please be aware that skipping the questionnaire section is likely to impact your eligibility for an award, as we will be unable to ascertain levels of bullying and wellbeing in your school. See the award criteria for further information. Click Mark as complete when you are done.